Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to open Play Store. Then tap here. Go to the My Apps and Games. And then here you have your updates pending. Here you can see all of your unupdated apps, so you can update them by tapping update button next to them, or just tap update all here in order to update all apps at once. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.